Hey, Roger the Real Deal Guy here, coming to you from Holiday Resort Unity. Now, as much as you probably know, if you've seen my videos, we are 15 minutes from the M5, and we have some of the best facilities in the southwest of England. Don't take my word for it, look at it online. We have everything you could possibly want, from golf courses, theme parks, restaurants, pubs, the lot. We have it all here. But today, what am I here for? I hear you shout. You know what it is. It's real deal time. I am going to show you through this amazing holiday home behind me. It's pre-loved. It's an Atlas Everglade, 35-foot long, 12-foot wide, 2-bedroom model, double glazed, central heated, and it's fantastic. I can't wait to show you. So should we go in and have a little look? Yeah, as I said, it's fantastic, and I'm not lying, am I? Look at that natural light flooding in through them large windows. We've then got dual aspect either side that lets the light and air flow through. You've got this amazing corner sofa, which has also got a sofa bed in it, so we'll sleep 6. You've then got your feature fireplace, place for your TV, some lovely storage, and your dining area. And of course, the lovely galley kitchen. Look at all the space. Look at your prep space. Look at your storage. It's fantastic. This really is a lovely pre-loved holiday home here at Holiday Resort Unity. Right, shall we go on down? So I know you're eager. So the first door we get on your left is your main bathroom. And look at the size. You've got a great size shower. Bit of storage. Great WC with the frog. Lovely sink. But what a space. Really is a fantastic space. Carrying on down the hallway, then on the left we've got the twin. And again, wow, great amounts of space. Natural light floods in through the window. Above bed storage, bedside. Beds are freestanding, so you can alter and play around if you so desire. Full length wardrobe, little shelf, and on that shelf is also a TV area. So if you want to pop the TV on, you can do. It's all done for you. And then we're going to go into the master. Wow, I know, it's fantastic, isn't it? Look at that, above bed storage, wardrobes both sides, but you've got dual aspect windows. Again, light floods through. Little dressing table. Bracket on the wall for your TV and everything else if you so desire. But it's just an amazing master bedroom with the added bonus of this great ensuite WC and sink. It's awesome. I know, right? You lot are thinking, do you know what? This is an amazing pre-owned holiday home. And it is. And it could be yours. So this is back to the lovely lounge area. But it's such a social space, living, dining, kitchen, that you can prep and talk and have some fun and really enjoy your holiday home. So this is the fabulous Atlas Everglade, 35-foot long, 12-foot wide, 2-bedroom model. Been pre-loved, and it's been really well kept. From the master bedroom with all that space, dual aspect windows, great amounts of storage, and the ensuite WC. You've then got the twin room, versatility, and again, a great space. The lovely size main bathroom, and then the dining, living, kitchen area that's really open plan, really does flow, and light floods in, especially through the windows behind me. Now, did you know holiday homes here start from as little as £19,995? That's it, £19,995 to be on the amazing Holiday Resort Unity, which is 15 minutes from the M5 with an amazing amounts of facilities. So you know what you got to do? You got to pick up the phone. You got to give me a call, 07493 098 497. So Roger, please help me. I really want to find out about holiday home ownership. I'm not sure. Or can we look at what holiday homes you have? I'd love for you guys to come down and really experience what it's like to be an owner here at Holiday Resort Unity. If you would want to do that, drop me a text. You can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. And don't forget, people, woo! Real deal time, because yes, I've got my own YouTube page, Roger the Real Deal Guy. On it is a vast array of holiday homes for you guys to look at, facilities and everything else to do with holiday home ownership. So what are you waiting for? Give me a call, drop me a text, email me, follow me on YouTube, and we are here to assist you in holiday home ownership. That simple. Now, please enjoy the rest of your day. And don't forget, people, it's not a deal, it's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.